How would you like to have your very own ChatGPT clone, which is your own personal website with your own personal banner ads, and it'll even collect email addresses for you. On top of that, I'm also going to show you how to instantly create content in about 5 minutes on any topic you like for free on YouTube without having to ever do any of the work. Well, that sounds really cool to you. Stay with me. I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of AIProfitz. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man in the hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can film successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, you know by now that you could skip ahead. I tell the same stale, boring jokes day in and day out. I get it, I do it, and I shouldn't. I should be telling more interesting jokes, but I just don't. So sue me. But seriously, if you are new to this channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info to make money online niche. And why would this such a thing? I suppose very, very simple to make sure that you don't have very much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, Bart, really? This has been going on for years. We should call it truce or something. It's ridiculous. That the guy's driving me so insane over and over and over again. Yucky with the crap. Bart, give it a rest. Okay, but seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like Bart, I will give a tip in my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a live videos about mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz, she's a sweetheart. By the way, I know I haven't actually put up a bunch of videos about entrepreneurship lately. I'm starting to do that now again. And that's part of my bonus, by the way. I'm going to show you how I'm doing that in about 5 minutes a day. It's really, really cool stuff. But yeah. Anyway, if you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for AIProfitz. This is from my friend Trevor and Luann. So this is a brand new app. Now, I don't usually go in for apps because a lot of them in the make money online niche are abandonware, but Trevor I've known for many, many years. He's been reliable. He gets things done. He's been around for a long time. So I'm relying on his good name that he's going to make sure this thing isn't going to go away. And this is a very, very cool app. Basically, what you do is in about 2 minutes, you can have your very own chatbot, just like ChatGPT, which you actually own, which you actually can deploy, and you can even sell these for other people, and they can put up their own ads, their own banner ads on the bot. They can put up a thing to collect email addresses from people who visit. It's a really, really cool thing to be able to do. I'm going to show you how it all works. Before I do, though, I want to tell you about my custom bonus because I always have the best custom bonuses. So the app is very, very cool. It literally takes like 2 minutes to do this. It's super simple to get everything set up. I'm going to show you how it works, but I wanted to give you something really, really special. So I'm actually giving you 3 different things. First and foremost, this app has the ability to add in your own logo. So I'm going to show you how I'm able to generate logos literally in seconds. I put together something really simple, just very fast, just so you can see what it would look like. But excuse me. You can tell this is a live video. I just sneezed. I'm recording video. Anyway, but seriously, I put together just a simple logo, which I've actually showed once before, where it's basically my company name, Man in the Hat, filled with hats, which is very, very cool. But there's another thing I want to show you, actually. Actually, let me pull it up real quick. Let's see if I can find it for you. File, open file. Let me go ahead and open this up right now. It might be in here. Here we go. Check this out. Okay, this is the logo for my latest launch, which is coming out in end of July. This was made completely for free. Okay, and took me about 60 seconds with an AI system. I'm going to show you how these are made as well. All right, this is a really, really nice system, and it's completely for free. Doesn't cost you a penny. Okay, so that's number one. I'm going to show you how to make a logo because this software actually has the ability to add a logo. I'm going to show you how that works in just a moment when I show you the members area, so you can see how easy it is to add in your own logos. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make your own logos with an AI system, which is free. That's bonus number one. Bonus number two, you can sell these to other people. So I'm going to give you my exclusive list of 25 plus marketplaces you can sell these chatbots on. So that's going to be a huge thing. You can actually make money selling these right away. Okay, and you'll also be able to sell them the logo. A lot of people don't have a logo available, but they want a new logo just for the chatbot. You'll be able to sell them that also. Okay, so that's not going to be number two. And number three, something I just started doing because I just figured this out is literally just yesterday I started doing this actually. I am now posting new short 2-minute videos as well as I'm just now doing YouTube shorts. Now, I know a lot of people hate appearing on camera or they just don't know what to say. They're nervous. That's okay. The new videos I'm doing, which are basically all about entrepreneurship, making money online, things like that. You know, I don't write the script. I don't have to do any of the arranging of the video. It's all taken care of for me. Okay, I get the music is done for me automatically. The background videos are done for me automatically. The script's done for me automatically. Even the voiceover is done for me automatically. Okay, literally all I have to do is just upload it to YouTube and it's done. Everything, even the description, by the way, even the description is written for me automatically. Okay, everything is done with 3 different AI systems that I've been experimenting with, that I've gotten really, really good at with. I'm going to show you how that works also. Let me show you a sample real quick over here. You can check this out on my channel. I uploaded this video just yesterday. So
don't worry, if your wallet is as empty as a politician's promises, you're in the right place. Welcome to Broke to Billionaire. Okay, maybe not quite billionaire. I'm looking at you, Barry Goldberg, but you get the idea. Your hustle-proof guide to making money online. Rule number 1, there's no such thing as free money, unless you find a leper.
I'm not going to play the entire video. You can watch it yourself on YouTube. I wanted to see the quality of the video and the quality of the voiceover. This is not obviously not my voice. This is an AI voice. But if you didn't know it was an AI voice, you'd never know. Okay, the quality is exceptional. It has tonality. It has everything that you expect from an AI voice. It is pitch perfect AI voices, but it's not just the fact that it has an AI voice. I didn't have to find these videos. These videos were found for me by an AI system. The background music found for me by an AI system. The script for the video written for me by an AI system. Okay, I'm going to show you the exact prompts I use in order to write the script and exactly what I do. I even got, check this out. We have this entire description written by an AI system. Okay, everything was done for me through an AI system. I literally didn't have to do any of the work myself. It was all done for me through the AI system that created all of this content for me. So you literally do not have to worry about creating any of this stuff. It takes me probably about 5 minutes while I'm doing something else, while I'm sitting here having my coffee in the morning. It takes me about 5, maybe 10 minutes. I think it takes 10 minutes just because of the time it takes for the video to render. The actual work I do is maybe a minute or 2 of work. Basically type a couple of sentences, in order to make it. You're going to get my exact formula for making these videos. Okay. Plus, on top of that, I'm going to show you how to create custom-made AI-generated logos that you can sell because they're free. Plus, I'm also going to give you my exact list of where to go ahead and sell these things. 25 plus marketplaces to sell these things on. Okay, and by the way, check this out. You can also get $2 off. This is the, whoops. Where are we? Okay. Here we go. So if you try to exit, it's going to show you $2 off. Just click yes, please. And it'll give you the $2 discount. It's going to be $10.95 instead of $12.95 for this thing. So that's another nice additional bonus that you're going to get. Okay, so let me show you the members area real quick here. So this is the members area. It's really, really easy to use this. You are going to have to get what's called an API key from OpenAI. It's free to get the API key. It does provide limited functionality. If you want to do more, you're going to pay a small fee for it. And that's going to go over here in the OpenAI setting. It literally takes like 30 seconds to get it, though. It's literally just click, I want a key, copy it, paste it in. That's it. It's literally just copy paste. Well, let's go check out site creation. So go here, site creation. We're going to click create site. You're simply going to give your site a name. So in my case, I named mine Eric. You can see I already did this. I'm not going to do it again because there's already an Eric. All right, let's go now here to site setting. And you can see mine is right here at the top. And all we're going to do is click on the edit button here. And you can see I've already uploaded my logo. I'm going to show you how to get your own custom-made logo for free. I put in a name and description. I just put in something. Favicon, basically this is that little image that you can see at the along the top of the video. So, you know, like for example, over here under YouTube, you can see the YouTube play button. And here on AIProfitz, you can see the little icon, you know, which indicates an AI. And of course, over here, you can see that's got this really scrunched up man in the hat logo, which I just kind of made and uploaded as my logo. So check this out. You get a custom branded site of your own. Okay, you can add in your own ads. There's spaces to add in your own ads. Okay, so you can monetize this immediately. You can also get people to subscribe to your site immediately. They'll just put in their name and their email address and automatically be subscribed. You can have all of these social buttons here. And of course, again, it is going to be customized to your specific business. And again, you can also sell these as well. You have the right to sell these apps. Okay, and basically, if we check it out, see here, here's the chat bot. We can ask it a question, how are you today? And it works exactly the same as basically like ChatGPT or any other chat bot. So we can ask it, you know, write an article about why AI is revolutionary. And we just click submit. And within a couple of seconds, it's going to start generating an article for us immediately. The same as ChatGPT would be able to do. Yep, and we can see here, it's just generating our article right on the spot, right away. That, you know, and again, you have your own private version of ChatGPT. You can name it whatever you want to name it, and you'll be able to automatically direct people to your own private chatbot. So it's a really, really cool thing that you'll be able to do. And if you want it to stop, you can just click interrupt, obviously. So very, very, very nicely done, very easy to use system. And again, when you pick this up from me, I'm going to show you how to make your own logos. Okay, I'm also going to show you how to where to sell these chatbots. Plus, I'm also going to give you my brand new video. I literally just started doing this yesterday. Okay, this is a brand new thing for me. How I'm able to use 3 different AI systems to create videos which look completely professional and you know, on any topic you want, like literally any topic you want. Actually, for AI systems, because I'm also going to show you how to find out what people want to talk about. There's a really cool website that I've been using which I'm going to show you as well, where you can actually put in any topic you want, and it's going to suggest hundreds of current searches based on that. So for example, you want to search for weight loss, it's going to show you what people are currently looking for in weight loss. So you can kind of get in on what people want to know about by creating videos about that. Okay, you want to do something about plumbing, no problem. You can put in about plumbing. It's going to show you everything people are currently asking about plumbing. You want to know about insurance, not a problem. Put that in, put in insurance. Literally any topic you can possibly think of. This website is going to show you exactly what it is that people are searching for. The kind of questions people are asking online is going to tell you instantly exactly what they are. And by the way, it's also free. So yeah, you're going to get all of that included with this brand new bonus. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously, huge tip of my hat. This is really, really awesome. I absolutely love this system. And frankly, when you pick it up with my bonus, it is a no-brainer. Grab this, you're going to love it.